let's go.
So I'm gonna just do like a video on how I do like a ponytail with weave. I'm gonna be using curly weave, so yeah, you can use whatever, but since I'm just doing my natural hair and I'm not flat ironing, I'm just gonna use the curly hair. So yeah, so products you're gonna need is you're gonna need a brush, this kind. You're gonna need a hard brush, you're gonna need some gel, and my weave is in here, so yeah. And you're gonna also need I'm gonna use this too, this extra whole jam just for my edges, and then a little bit of this got to be gel, and you know, just scrunchies. And you're gonna, so I'm gonna do like an extended one, so I'm just taking this like little bit of braiding hair, and you're also gonna need some bobby pins. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. Actually, the camera isn't crooked, but for the rest of this video I'm gonna just have my glasses off, because that's how I usually do my hair without my glasses on, which makes it really difficult because I can't see. But anyway, so first thing I did was take my hair out the bun or whatever, and I'm just gonna brush it with this brush. And you wanna just like look at, like, you know, where you would like your ponytail to hang. So I want it like right here. I think that's gonna be good. That's gonna be fine. So what I do is just put it in like a bun. So I'm just taking this jam and I'm putting it on my edges. But I'm just gonna put this gel on the back of my head and start slicking it up. Oh, and another thing, I try to keep my head like angled down, so like my back of my hair won't like bend. If it helps with the slicking down of my hair. Okay, so next I take some gossipy and like just slick it down some more. Okay, so next I take it out the bun and I grab a comb and start combing it up. So next you want to go in with your hard brush and just slick it. And this is the hard part for me because like I don't have a strong grip. Like you normally would. Hold on. Just put it in a ponytail. And tighten it up. And so I take this time to go back in with the gels and make sure it's really slicked up there. So this is where having a silk scarf comes into play. So god damn it, where it is. And I put on two to secure it. Okay, so it's probably like 2 hours later. I thought I was gonna finish this tomorrow, but like I think I can do it today. So this is how it is after I took off the scar. Since this is gonna be like an extended ponytail, I just grab some leftover braiding hair, and this doesn't match my hair obviously, but it's gonna be fine because it's gonna be covered. So all I did was just loop the this is what I did. So say, okay, the braiding hair. So I get like a thin ponytail holder, and I just loop it like this. So depending on how long you want your ponytail is how long the braiding hair is gonna be, but I don't need it that long. So all you're gonna do is just attach this to the base of your real hair. And honestly, I really don't like these ones because they don't have a lot of stretch, but that's fine. Okay, so it should be like this. Actually, I should take the scarf off so y'all can see. And usually I don't do my hair, so this was like a learning process for me. But so what you want to do is you want to section the braiding hair into 3 sections for braid, and since I already did this like a couple days ago, it's still kind of in the 3 sections. And you also want to do the same. I broke a nail. You also want to do the same to your hair. Put it in 3 sections. So I have my fingers on each like a section, and I'm gonna just start braiding. Okay, so I finished the braid, and I'm just gonna take a rubber band and secure the bottom of my braid. Okay, so after the braiding, it should look like this. It should look like this. Your braid doesn't have to be perfect because like it's gonna be hidden. It's the next day, and I'm just gonna continue the ponytail. So from here on, it's just gonna be easy. So first things first is you want to get your weave, and I'm using the method of like using bobby pins. You can sew your ponytail on, or you can glue it. There's lots of tutorials out there to like use those methods, but I think bobby pinning it is easier just for me. So I'm just gonna show you. And you want to just start by putting the bobby pin in. And so okay, so right here, it's hopefully it's not gonna be hard to see, but I'm gonna just turn to the side. So I usually start like the braid is higher than I wanted it to be, but I just start at the base of the braid and I put the bobby pins facing up. All of them go facing up. So we just do that. So it should look like this. And all you want to do is just wrap the hair around the braid. And like, I don't like count how many times I wrap it, but I just do wrap it a few times, and then I get another bobby pin and what are those bobby pins? Oh, right here. I'll just grab a bobby pin like so and just put it in there, and then I'll just put it facing upwards. Comb this part because I'm using this to tie it around the base of my head. I mean, the ponytail. Okay. So like now it's looking like this. I'm gonna just take it off, my scarf off. So now it's looking like this. And what I'm gonna do is get another piece and all you're gonna do is use it to wrap around the base of the ponytail so it can conceal the tracks, and like I'm just using gel to like smooth out the hair. So this is the hair, and so I'm just gonna spray it with water, and this is where like having like a detangling brush comes into play. I think it's tangled enough, so I'm just gonna go through, like break it into sections and just detangle it through. And as I said, like I like spraying water on it and letting it air dry. I get like the best results and I do that. And what I do now is just like fluff it out. This is how it's looking right now. It's still kind of wet, and like you just want to form it so like it looks like, you know. And you can also take this time to do your edges, but I'm gonna just wait till it's finished drying for me to do that. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all like this tutorial. Like I literally tried it out for myself like last week. So, and I usually don't do hair. Like I'm not the hair person. Like somebody's gotta do it. So if I can do it, you guys out there that say they can't do hair can do it too. But it's just all trial and error, so I'm just gonna put in some videos of like, you know, my hairstyle and end out the video here. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next video. Toodles. Oh.